how I boosted my credit score by 100 points, and how you can too. If you're serious about building wealth, your credit score isn't optional, it's essential. A few years ago, mine was stuck in the low 600s. That meant higher interest rates, constant rejections for better credit cards, and even getting denied for an apartment I really wanted. But over a few months, I raised my credit score by 100 points and completely changed my financial future. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same, no matter where you're starting. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Step 1. Know where you stand. The first thing I did, I stopped avoiding the numbers and pulled my full credit report. And wow, it was rough. There were missed payments from years ago that were still dragging me down. My credit utilization was through the roof. I was carrying balances that were way too high. There were even some accounts I forgot existed and multiple hard inquiries from applying for too many cards. But here's the thing, seeing it all laid out gave me clarity. I couldn't fix what I didn't understand. That report became my action plan. You can get your free credit report from sites like annualcreditreport.com. Do it today. Print it out. Highlight the issues. That's where your comeback starts. Step 2. Pay down debt strategically. Next up was the biggest game changer, paying down debt. But not just randomly. I listed all my balances and interest rates, then focused on the highest interest debts first. This is known as the avalanche method, and it saves you more money over time. Even paying just 30% more than the minimum made a noticeable dent. And as my balances dropped, my credit utilization ratio improved, and that's one of the biggest factors in your score. This wasn't glamorous. It was grinded out, week by week work, but it worked. Step 3. Lower credit utilization without paying everything off. Here's a tip most people don't think of. I called my credit card companies and asked for credit limit increases. Not so I could spend more, but so my utilization would go down without me making a single payment. One of my cards doubled its limit in minutes. I also split my purchases across multiple cards instead of maxing out one. That move alone improved my score within a month. Remember, it's not just about how much debt you have, it's about how much of your available credit you're using. Step 4. Dispute errors. Here's something wild. Your credit report might be wrong. Mine was. I found 2 late payments that shouldn't have been there and an account that had been paid off but was still marked as open. I filed disputes with all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and got a few key items removed. That alone gave my score a noticeable bump. Check your report carefully. One wrong line could be costing you hundreds or even thousands over time. Step 5. Automate your payments. Late payments can wreck your credit, and they're 100% avoidable. So I automated everything. I set up autopay for the minimum payments on all my cards, then used calendar reminders to handle the rest. Even just one missed payment can hurt your score for years. But now, I don't even have to think about it, it's just handled. Credit loves consistency, and automation is your best friend here. Step 6. Keep old accounts open. This one surprised me. I used to think closing old cards was responsible, less temptation, right? Wrong. Length of credit history matters, and those old accounts? Gold for your score. So now I keep my oldest cards open and put a small recurring charge on them, like a streaming service, just to keep them active. Then I pay it off in full each month. That strategy boosted the average age of my accounts and helped lift my score. Step 7. Stop chasing new credit. I used to apply for new cards like I was collecting rewards points. Every new application triggers a hard inquiry, which can ding your score, even if you're approved. Now, I'm super selective. I only apply when it genuinely makes sense and when I know I'm likely to get approved. No more chasing bonuses or signing up just because of a shiny offer. The fewer inquiries, the better your score holds up. Step 8. Mix it up. This one's lesser known, but still powerful. Credit mix. Lenders want to see that you can handle different types of credit, revolving, like credit cards, and installment, like loans. I already had credit cards, so I took out a small personal loan and paid it off on schedule. That helped round out my profile and gave my score one final nudge upward. You don't need tons of debt, but showing you can handle different types responsibly. That matters. The result? After just a few months of consistent, intentional steps, my credit score jumped by 100 points. It didn't happen overnight, and there were moments I wondered if the effort was worth it. But looking back now, it changed everything. Lower interest rates, better approvals, easier financial decisions, more peace of mind. If you're stuck in a credit hole, don't panic. Start where you are. Pick one step, then keep going. Here's your challenge. Pick one of the steps I shared and take action this week. Then drop a comment below and tell me your credit goal. I'd love to hear where you're starting and where you're headed. Credit repair is a journey, but it starts with one move in the right direction. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone else trying to improve their score. I'll see you in the next one.